Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share with you a cure to a pet peeve of mine. Maybe you deal with it, I don't know, but hopefully you can cure your problem like I'm getting ready to cure mine. Now this picture up here I just got to say, this is such an irritant to me, is when it flops like this and it's way away from the wall. Now the commander strips, I'll have Consuelo come over on my right side so you can see. No matter what I've done, other than gluing it on, they don't stick. So, we're going to pull this off. They're a joke. I even tried to silicone it on there because it kept coming off. This little blue stuff right here is the cure to your problems. And all you do is take that little piece right there. And I'll take it and put it right back here. So I just press that against the picture, and I take this, and it doesn't stain the wall, doesn't do any of that stuff. And I just take and press that against it, and it's there. That's it. Now, if I really want to make it strong, I can put one down here and put two of them on there. And I make sure the picture's level. I've already done the other end. Press it against tight, and it's done, and it'll be there. Now, the reason a lot of times it does that is because the wall isn't flush or the picture is cattywampus. This will pull that up there. Hey Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. And with that, I'd like to say, Mr. Know-It-All, out!
GoPro, stop recording.